Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Facts for You. In this video, we are talking 10 biggest companies in the world according to revenue, net income and market capital. So let's get started. Number 10. Volkswagen AG. Volks Group is the largest automobile manufacturer by vehicle sales. The German company build, sell and repair both luxury and economy cars, sports cars, trucks and other commercial vehicles. Volkswagen premier luxury brand is Audi. Revenue of this company is $247.4 billion, net income $6.4 billion and market capital is $94.8 billion. Number 9. Toyota Motor. This is a Japanese automobile company that manufactures cars, trucks, etc. and repair passenger cars, trucks and buses. The company also sells parts and equipment and operate financing service. Toyota also build pleasure boats and home as well. Revenue of this company is $248.6 billion, net income $14.4 billion and market cap $182.7 billion. Number 8. Berkshire Hathaway. This is a diversified holding corporation that owns companies in broad range of sector and industry. They include insurance, energy generation, transportation, retail and manufacturing companies. Revenue of company is $260.5 billion, net income $22.2 billion, market cap $520.9 billion. Number 7. Royal Dutch Shell. Royal Dutch Shell produces refined petroleum through its subsidiary company in addition to operating gas stations around the world. This company sells fuels, lubricant and other chemicals. Revenue of company is $263.1 billion, net income $11.3 billion and market capital is $110.1 billion. Number 6. CVS Health Corporation. CVS is an integrated pharmacy healthcare provider. The company operates a chain of drug stores with locations throughout the USA as well as Puerto Rico. CVS offers pharmacy benefit management service, meal order pharmacy service and disease management programs. Revenue of this company is $260.0 billion, net income $8.3 billion and market capital $77.2 billion. Number 5. Apple Inc. Apple design, manufacture and market a broad range of consumer technology products including smartphones, personal computers, tablets, wearable device, home entertainment device and more. Among the company's most popular products are its iPhone line of smartphone and Mac line of computer. Apple also is building a fast-growing service business operating digital content stores, selling streaming video games and providing streaming service such as Apple Plus, a platform for on-demand entertainment content. Revenue of this company is $273.9 billion, net income $58.4 billion and market capital $2.0 trillion. Number 4. PetroChina Limited. This is the oil and gas company. PetroChina is engaged in exploration, development, production and sale. It also manufactures petrochemical products. This company owned by China National Petroleum Corporation. Revenue of this company is $320.0 billion, net income $1.8 billion and market capital $59.2 billion. Number 3. Amazon.com. Amazon is the world's largest online retailer by market capital. The company began as an online bookseller and has since grown to every category of retail. Amazon's fastest growing area of business are cloud computing service, subscription products like Amazon Prime and streaming movies and other entertainment. Revenue of this company is $321.8 billion, net income $13.2 billion and market capital $1.6 trillion. Number 2. China Petroleum and Chemical. China Petroleum and Chemical is a producer and distributor of a variety of petrochemical and petroleum products. The company's products include gasoline, diesel, kerosene, synthetic rubber, and jet fuel and chemical fertilizer. China company also known as Sinopec. Revenue of this company is $355.8 billion, net income $486.6 billion, market capital $53.5 billion. Number 1. Walmart Inc. This is the world's largest company in the world, founded in 1962. Walmart has since grown into one of the world's largest retailers. The company operates discount stores, super centers, neighborhood market as well as online platforms. Walmart sells a wide variety of merchandise including clothing, home goods, books, jewelry, foods, goods, pharmaceutical supplies and automobile equipment. Revenue of this company is $542.0 billion, net income $17.9 billion and market capital $392.8 billion. If you want to watch these videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like button also, and please comment also, it really motivates me. Thanks for watching.